basically imagine that we can produce clothes locally, and we can produce clothes just in time, so meaning within 48 hours, and we can produce the clothes without using any water at all, and also making sure that all of the energy resources that we use are sustainable or coming from, for example, wind energy. And then we will be able to reduce the carbon footprint of clothing production by 95%. So if you imagine all of these things, then you kind of understand what a Rodinia microfactory for clothing production is. You need to think about the microfactory as being composed of two major components. So the first one is the software, the second one is the hardware. And the hardware is sort of the body, and the software is the brain. We send digital information, so for example, design files to our machinery, and is being processed all the way through the 4 machines, meaning that the digital input will become a physical output, being cut out garment modules that we can then assemble by sewing them together. So overproduction is a major problem. We have 140 something billion garments produced a year. It's new garments that we produce a year. And then even more horrifying is that, around 30% of these 140 billion pieces of clothing that we make every year actually never reaches a customer. So this is the problem. The way I describe it, this is where we really believe that microfactories can make a difference. We have a major milestone in the end of 2023 where we want to duplicate the microfactory pilot that we have built here in Copenhagen, either in England or in Lithuania, where we have sewing partners, meaning that instead of having an R&D lab where we have software developers, we want to have a production facility where we have seamstresses sitting next to the production line, because that way we can close the loop, so we have an end-to-end solution